Oh, people are actually still okay. I changed my mind. Late day stream today. What? Yeah, I'm having another fucking beer, dude. Fuck you. Do you want some wine? This man drinks Coors Light in the morning. No, I'm your average consumer, but it's an 80-20 kind of situation, right? Don't you make most of your money from alcoholics? That's how liquor stores make all their money. Yeah, you're supplier side. I mean, I feel like that's a thing, but who the fuck knows? Well, that's a good point. Yeah, you're right. All right, guys, who got stuck in who got fucked by Joby yesterday? Yeah, this is fucked up. Well, actually, this might still. Yeah, I got ZK. ZK was the easiest trade today, I think. I bought SMR2 and AEHR, and I cut Joby yesterday after hours at least. Thank God. I still took a like a sizable loss on this. I just don't know why the fuck they would drop an offering right now, 'cause like you gotta pump it first, right? Don't they know that? Like what the fuck is their problem? I don't know what they're doing. This could have gone to like $10 and then they dropped the offering. Could have made like was there any like big oh there was this news, I guess. But there was no like EV news, right? There's this news, but all right, let's just write this in. I don't know if that's the news that's moving this though. Oh shit, reride? Nice, dude. This is great. Pony AI. Why is zeekr going up on this though? Do they do autonomous driving? There's no individual news for zeekr, right? Y'all are fucking useless today. Do we know the market cap for this? What's good, bro? Okay, so they raised half a billion, and what was the IPO price? I already talked about that. I reduced my ads late day yesterday, but I got fucked on the rest. I had to cut it like after hours. Took like an 8% loss on it, I think. But no, I was saying though, they're stupid as fuck for not waiting to drop the offering. It could have gone to like $8 to $10. Yeah, I had well I added because I bought day one, right? I added day two and then I didn't reduce enough, but whatever. Okay, so I think all the EV stuff is just based on this fucking IPO. So yeah, this is a good sign. Let's move this here. And BYD is breaking its range today too, which is a very good sign. But right, there's no other EV news, right? It's just the IPO. Yeah, whatever. It was my second largest position too. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, thank you. IPO price 15.5. Okay, that's very good. Appreciate that. So you guys aren't useless. Oh, I got a whole quote from here. Okay, I found a quote on Reuters. Okay. Well, I'll put it on the WRD one. Yeah. It's just in the article, the Reuters article. There you go. So 15.5. Wow, that's a great. So holy shit. Let's see if we can get the spread is fucked, right? The spread is 25 cents. But yeah, maybe in like a week or so this can set up. Dude, this is definitely not a micro cap. I gotta clear out some of these fucking micro cap names. Why are there's so many of these dog shit EV companies? Oh, is this doing anything? And this is the Mark Cohode special. He loves this stock for some reason. It just set an alert. This has a pretty decent week. It's not the best. But yeah, I think we can assume that EVs are back with Tesla yesterday and China EVs today. It's looking good. And this is looking pretty good now, right? Whoever said Oklo is done, if you're on stream, I hope you learned your fucking lesson. This is not looking so good. Oh, you could have bought this today. This is an entry. Yeah, it's a valid entry. Should I mark that level? Maybe this one isn't really a level. Well, no, yes it is. Yes it is. Yeah, I don't think you need to rush into it. And semis that look strong were like. Oh, can you hear them? Yeah, they're still here. Dude, this is what, like, come on, man. This is still gonna keep going straight up? Like, what the fuck? Could have bought, actually, maybe this will offer another buy point, like here. Dude, this is so funny. Look at this shit. I might have to cut this. This is below my entry now. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'll give it a little longer. Hourly looks fine. Yes, I did. I bought it after this alert, this one. 2382. Just the highs here. Not a. And then you look at the hourly, you confirm that it looks pretty good, right? Or the 30 minute. Like right, higher low here, and then a little range. I would have bought more size, but this can trade pretty thin. And I didn't realize why EVs were going until later because of this IPO. I also cut AHR. This is really good. I'm hoping this can do like an Ion Q type move. Because this is just massive fucking cope, right? Like this is what, a 70% move already? Oh my god. On a on something that trades 200, at least, like it's been trading like 2 to 300 million dollars volume a day. Fucking insane. But the good news is like a lot of these China names look ready. Yeah, I think so. There's no real other significant news, but this WRD thing, right? Like this is valued at $4 billion. That's not insignificant. Yeah, also from Tesla, but the reason that they got like big bids today, I don't have hard stops. It's if it fails, I'm gonna cut it. Just simple as. Yeah, there are tariffs, but despite that, they're going up. So, yeah, dude, I've said this so many fucking times. What the fuck? Like if it breaks lows and then consolidates, then I cut it. I don't know how, like, yeah, I'm being spicy because people ask the same fucking questions over and over again. No, no, it's fine. Just you got to get used to the abuse. You can ask questions. Ask whatever you want. Just don't be upset if I berate you. Oh my fucking god, fungus, dude. Anyway, this fucking WeRide looks like it's like an actual real company, right? It's like Robobus. Okay, so this is why. So they're like a Waymo, but in Singapore and China, I guess. $4 billion for an IPO, that's pretty significant, right? And then that's like in the sweet spot, under 10 billion, but above like fucking 2 billion. I really hope this Vistra, really hope this goes. Dude, yeah, I felt I don't want to set up a frequently asked question, a fact though. That's just super cringe. I mean, I understand why he did it now. But then that would mean I'd have to like define a strategy, which, I change what I do a lot of the time, right? I'm like, it's pretty discretionary. Like a lot of it comes down to whether I think something is good enough for retarded people to buy at the top, right? How many days till election, guys? 1.5 weeks. Okay. So yeah, does this fucking Truth Social sell the news event, do you think? I haven't checked Polymarket or Kalshi in a while. Let's look at the election odds. What is it? Trump's 60% now? Yeah, okay. Oh, it just moved to 61. Looks like all you Trump tards are gonna, you're gonna have a boner. Popular vote, 65%. Harris, of course. Dude, I'm looking forward to all the liberal tears though, because Harris deserves to lose. You guys know this. I'm gonna rub it in. Yeah, no, you're most likely right. So like, and obviously statistical models aren't always right. Like fucking Nate Silver, that fucking dipshit. Remember in like 2016? No, it's still up in the air. It's always up in the air until election day because of our fucked up undemocratic electoral system. But like right now, it's like 61 to 39 is pretty significant on Polymarket, right? What is Nate Silver saying? I fucking hate Nate Silver, but I guess he's still like significant. Nate Silver, my gut says Trump, but don't trust anyone's gut, even mine. Yeah, no fucking shit. Don't trust you. Oh my god. Why is this guy still relevant? Alright, so 538 is showing 53 versus 47. Okay. Well, I hate to say it, but now I'm actually hoping Harris wins so that I can get a better trade out of this. No, no, I know what you're saying. Yeah, these markets, Like it's probably close. It's probably not as wide as 61 to 39. I know. Yes, yes, I agree with what you guys are saying. Dude, who the fuck is calling me? Okay. Oh, Polymarket says 65 to 34. Or 30? Yeah, okay, that's even crazier than Kalshi. What is like? How much like? How liquid are these markets, right? Like, can we look that up on Polymarket? You know, I don't think I can look it up on Kalshi because I'm pretty sure election betting is still banned in the U.S. like domestically. But if someone knows or knows how to look it up real quick, like how much dollar volume does like something like presidential outcome trade a day? Stream is gonna be over soon because they're my guests are working. I guess. They have jobs. What the fuck is a job? They need to take a meeting. No, they can't see me. Yeah, no, these two. Yeah, fine. I'll say it. I'll say it. Well, they weren't here yesterday. No, he's not here. He's not on it. He doesn't watch my stream because I just rant about politics and it triggers him.
What does he say about Hannah these days?
He doesn't talk about her. No, he's not right now. No, but we can message him. Yeah, it was bitches yesterday because they weren't here, and now it's my guest. Dude, they bought so much shit. They bought like 6 suitcases. That's insane. Like 6 bags slash suitcases. Yes. Yeah. Uni says hi. That's him. Dude, is this gonna? Do I have to cut Oklo? I mean SMR. I feel like I should cut this. I got like 30 minutes to decide, right? So Japanesely? What did I pronounce? Yeah, I took over a 1% loss on Joby, so that sucks. Like in unique? What are you talking about? Oh, this has been getting rejected by VWAP all day. Yeah, I took a loss on Joby and I took a loss on QuantumScape, which sucks, but it's fine. Those two, I mean, I'm gonna write them a letter teaching them how to drop an offering. Like, you guys gotta pump the stock first, don't you know? Like, are you guys fucking stupid? Don't you want to like raise money for your New York City flying taxi company? I only have I'll have 9% of my account in this. I'll probably just set a hard stop for 18. The thing is, I'm pretty sure this company is a scam, right? Wasn't there like some big like fraud report on them? I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, 3 more minutes and I gotta cut the stream. Okay, I guess I can come back in half an hour, but are you guys gonna be working until later? You're done after the meeting, right? Yeah, yeah, no, we can do something else. Let's get drunk.
But I do want to leave.
No, we can just get like,
Yeah.
little drunk. Yeah, this stream is too much personal life, I'm aware, but I don't care at this point. Would you guys rather have me rant about Israel? All right, all right. I need to cut the stream. Later, guys. Sorry about Joby if you bought it because of me. Not sorry, actually. You're responsible for your own shit.